All right. I'm here with my beloved family on the request of the one and only C Freedom and Associates. And we're going to keep this brief. When C Freedom asked me to come and contribute to this beautiful KWANZAA celebration on UJIMA Day, it came to my mind with all the work that's been going on for like almost 2 years with New Orleans for Lincoln Beach and all the wonderful people there that have been extremely hard work to bring this beach back. It's been closed since about 1965. Well, I said, well, if that was me, what Orisha I'm gonna hit up, what Orisha I'm gonna consult, it's got to be Ibeji. Ibeji means two born, double born. In other words, twins. AKA in Voodoo, Marasa. Okay? And I just put up some stories on our school about black people and African people's relationship with twins, which is a long, complicated, sometimes torturous, many times beautiful relationship. But long story short, the Ibeji, and these are sacred items here. This is the real deal, like real deal. Hold up, there's no play around. I just bought these from our shrine. ILE ЭКО ÀШΑ. This ain't no joke. All right. And respect to all traditions. Everybody, I know black folks, we got a lot of traditions. Some of us got different spiritual, cultural traditions. Respect to everybody's traditions. But we just gonna contribute this in the sauce right now. We're gonna put this in the gumbo pot right now, all right, and everything else, all right? All right, so Ibeji are like the Orisha of childlike fun, joy, and mischief. Okay? I'm gonna tell you a little story and then we're gonna get started. When I was in Brazil in the 90s, and I was up in the mountains in a place called KWANZAA, and I'm almost Shango. I'm a Shango priest, and this was on the night that they celebrate Shango. They got fires everywhere. It's like St. John's night, same like New Orleans, right? All right. And so I went up in this ILE. I didn't know nobody in there, and I'm sitting in the back, and they had a huge pile of okra gumbo. It was about this high. And it was sitting on the floor. I do not exaggerate. It was this high. It was sitting on the floor. It was all okra. I hate okra gumbo. So I know that's how I told to my mom to make okra and stuff like that. I don't like it. When I got initiated to Shango, that was one of my my taboos. They said, you don't eat okra gumbo. No problem there. It's not a problem, right? So I'm in Brazil, and two people got possessed by Ibeji. All the Brazilians in there, nobody knows me. They came and got me from way in the back of the audience, and they said, you don't like okra, do you? I said, no. They said, well, you here, you're going to eat some of this okra now. So I went on and ate the okra. Okay, I did a big old pile of okra. So when you called me and I thought about it, I was like, Ibeji. I was like, what should we bring? I said, I'm going to tell people to bring okra. So you bought the okra gumbo. All right? So, you was in tune with the okra gumbo. So we got first, we're gonna propitiate our shoe. And we leaving agbado, corn, for our shoe. We're going to see what we're going to do with this afterwards. Children might be to eat this or might not. We might give it back to Orisha, the earth. I'm going to ask Orisha what they want us to do with it, right? Then, and it's the gumbo and the candy and all of that, right? Then we're going to propitiate Oshosi. I'm not Oshosi. You can say a little something for Oshosi. She's Oshosi right here. Then we're going to propitiate Ibeji, right? And if everything is good, I'm going to pull out my divination implements and see if they accept our offers to help bring back beaucoup fun and open the roads up for success here at Lincoln Beach. We know this is still, I'm going to say, it's still on this road to success, right? So that they will open the road up for success, that nothing will stand in the way of success, of restoration of not only New Orleans Beach, but the great, magnificent New Orleans East. All right, so I'm going to do a short Iwore Adura in Yoruba, okay? And I'll translate some of it in English. Truthfully, I only like to pray in our language, so I'll translate some of it in English. When I say Ashe, you say Ashe. If you know the Adura, you just say Ashe. When it's time to say Ashe, I'm going to keep it short. Omi tutu. Ona tutu. Ile tutu. Tutu I go. Iba Ashe shu. Ila ru mojuba. Iwo ru mojuba. Ariwo mojuba. Rusu mojuba. Ajuba eshu. Ajuba oba ile ketu. Ajuba aji moga. Ajuba atuwa shebini. Ajuba shebidari. Iba Ashe eshu emalona. Iba Ashe eshu alagbona. Iba Ashe eshu obalonke. Iba Ashe gbogbo eshu. Iba Ashe eshu onibode. Iba Ashe eshu oloja. Boki gbogbo lona eshu. Aha. fresh water, to freshen the road, to freshen the house, to freshen the ILE, to lock us in with their shoe. The guardians of the crossroads and ÌÉKỌ. All good fortune. We salute Eshu, the guardian of the crossroads. We salute Eshu, champion, Alagba, the champion of the world. We salute Eshu. Let me see. The Oba, the king of the town of Ketu. We salute Eshu. KWANZAA, may nothing bad, all good things come to Bugbo, Oba, Ati Alagba, Ati Iyalode, Ati Agba, Nidilewa. May all good things come to the priests in our lineage. KWANZAA, Bugbo, Yin, Aleja, may all good things come to the trainees in our lineage. Tio, Daniel, Relay, Yoruba, Professor, Minu, Ache, Rico, Babawao, Ache. May all good things come to all people of Yoruba blood into the entire world. Ati Bugbo, Yin, Inia, Aye, and all of humanity. Ashe. Rumili Boru, Rumili yeah, Rumili Shishe. Mon frère Fou, mon frère Ballet, mon Jubolo Fimo, Jubolo Ruma, Jubolo Rumila. We salute Rumila, the prophet of Ifa. Ibashe, Ibeji, Ibashe Marasa. Homage to the divine twin. Ibeji Ola. Y'all look, I just learned this Oriki for y'all over here. We're coming over here. So I was expecting them to laugh. Ibeji Ola. Obe Eku Iyare. When you birth twins, you enter into the town of riches. I put my own spin on it. And when you birth twins, you console all the weeping mothers and you wipe their tears away. Ibashe Ibeji, Ibeji Ola. Ibeji Ola. Eshu Wafunoni Agbado. Ejowo Fun Wanaile, so Eshu, we give you corn. Ejowo, please, Fun Wanaile Iredodo. Please give us all of the good fortune. Bugbo. I said that right. Iredodo, abundant blessing. KWANZAA, all the good fortune on KWANZAA. I Coupe Louis Lera, long life and good health. ԻΣΕΓUN victory. ΙΣΕΓUN victory. Ola Fun Iluwa Bubancha. Honor to our city, Bubancha, New Orleans. Ati Bugbo. Dynamite, go up to me on Eshu. Okay, let's see if Eshu, I'm going to keep it short. Let's see if Eshu is happy with our offering today. Use this. It's going to become our divination tree right there. Take it holy ground. Okay? Just put some more in the closing chart. Okay, Eshu. Wafunoni Agbado. Ejowo. Umana Ile Ire. Eshu. Shebagwo Dara. Papa Legba. Eshu. Elegwa. Alagbara. Is everything all right? Ilimu Eko. Open the coop. Open your no. Open your yarn. Open the phone. Open the coop. Oh! And G, Faith, that means true to love. That means with certainty Eshu accepts our offer. Hey, Legba. Hey, Legba. Hey, Legba. Kikere Alagba. Hey, Legba. Ibashe Ibeji. Omo Dada. Well-behaved children. Beautiful children. Ibeji. Omo Irorao. The children of wealth, opulence, and a life of abundance. Ibeji. Omo Ola. The children who bring honor. Ibeji. Omo Titun, the new children that arrive. Omo Titun Day, the new children that arrive. Ibeji, Ibashe, Ibeji, Ibashe, Ibeji. Ibeji, Ibeji, Allah, Obe, Ekun, Iyare, Ibeji. Wafununi, fruit. Wafununi, Agbado. Wafununi, Agba. Wafununi, Dundum, Idunu. Wafununi, Okogumbo. Ibeji. Ejewo, Fun. Bugbo, Inia, Nibi. Lincoln Beach. Give everybody that comes to Lincoln Beach. He read Dudda on the blessing. He read Bugbo on La. This one. He ran the wall Pupo. He ran the wall Pupo in time of need. Big time help in time of need. Lona Dada, wide open roads and lines. Omi Nira, freedom. Asha Inia Dudu, black power. Asha Inia, Agbara Inia Dudu, black power. Agbara Inia Dudu, black power. Agbara Inia Bugbo Yin, all power to the people. Ajay, wealth. Ajay Owao, wealth. Ola, honor, abundance. Iye Iroru, the life of opulence. Lower booba, lots of money. Alafia Nibi, Lincoln Beach. Alafia Nibi, good health and peace. Suru, patience. Suru ni Baba Iwao, patience, the father of good character. Ati, already put lots of friends. Ayadara, good relationships to spread out from here at Lincoln Beach. Ati, Ray Bugbo. Go see Coop, go see a room, go see a yo, go see a folk, go see a Dina, go see a Koma, go see a Tikbo, go see a Shelu, go see a Joe, go see a yo, go see a Lamba, go see Wahala, go see Congo Sa, go see a folk, go see a Fu, go see Hamburg, go see Aishishe, go see Ailowo, go see Jamba, go see a Sodbona, go see Buruku, go see Ori Buruku, go see Ori Oyimbo Buruku, Ori Head, Oyimbo, European, Buruku, wickedness, blah, 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 blah. That's another word for white pathology. Go see Ori Oyimbo Buruku, go see Ai Simi, go see Ai Nitura, go see Ai Nipa, go see Bugbo Aduguna, Ashe Beni Korea, Ashe Rico Baba, Ashe, Iba Ashe, Ibeji. Ibeji Wafununi Onje. Se Bugbo Odara. Il est mou echo. Obinuku. Obinono, Obinoyan, Obinofo, Obinuku. Hold up. Obinono, Obinoyan, Obinofo, Obinuku. Obinono, Obinoyan, Obinofo, Obinuku. All right, so we're gonna eat some of this fruit. All right. Chama, Kawalapia, Kawachia, Baba. Obnono, Obnoya, Obnoko, Obnono, Obnoya, Obnoko. So, Ibeji told me we're gonna eat some of this fruit, but leave some because then I'm gonna take it to Eshu's people. Eshu's people are those in need that are living on the on the edge, right? So we're gonna eat some. I'm gonna take some to Eshu's people, not here somewhere else. And that's what we're going to do. That's what Ibeji say. And may Ibeji carry his maybe just nothing. But I want to come out here in a few years when things are well past developed and hear children's laughter screaming before you can even get off Haynes Boulevard. You can hear the children screaming before you get off Haynes Boulevard. Let's see if we're done. Ibashe, Shu Ibashe Ibeji, or Rara Shaitan. Ilimu Ekwo. Omnuku. Omnono, Omnoya, Omnofo, Omnuku. Oh! Done. Gee, Faye. So I guess at this point, why don't y'all come get some of this fruit? Oh, one last thing. Mama, can you give us a little something for a show to close? Come. One B. Name first. And your original name, please.
Chelsea O'Day-Goodman. My first is Alvo Chelsea. And my second is Richard Lake. That's also born from Chelsea. Morris the word. He's your first behind Ogun, who cut away the obstacles out of this issue. At decision making crossroads, for us to think and make decisions. For Ogun, who put away the obstacles. Or Chelsea should be. Whatever you want to do. You want to aim. Pull your aim. Let's aim. For the blessings and for the get this beach where it needs to be, we aiming. You pull your boat, pull it down. Pull it. Pull across the that we aim in all directions for things to open up. And Mama Sula would sing for the old Chelsea. That's his song.
Baridane!
Ujima!
Baridane!
Ujima!
Baridane! Baridane!
And before we close, as we're going to get the fruit from Mommy Wata, I want to pray for wealth for everybody's household. I want to pray for Mommy Wata's guardian of wealth, guardian of mysteries, comes to give you higher meaning. Yes, yes. So there's a song, as we're taking our fruit, I'm just going to sing a song, but the word is saying, Iki, which is a Igbo name for mother. So Iki, Welego, Nalego. Mother, grant us the power to make wealth. Grant us the power to make wealth. And we can do good things for the earth and be compensated for all the things. So grant us the power to make wealth. Mommy Wata, Welego, Nalego. Mommy Wata, grant us the power to make wealth. And if you say it is so, it will be so. So, as we're going, I'm just going to sing. You know, we're praying for wealth. I'm praying for cups overflow. I pray you would keep you with unexpected wealth. I mean, unexpected wealth, unexpected checks, unexpected unity with your family. May we forgive more. And may we ask to be forgiven.
Before we start the song, because I don't know if people want to take it or leave, I want to say thank y'all so much for y'all work with us. Attention and doing in New Orleans, so I have a proclamation I created for a market.
Recognize your greatness and leadership and see it worth celebration and recognition. With us that you will be. And so we got you with, we hook you up with some gear too. Now, Bob Marcus, I might have to do another time and not show what size.
I'm a Lord.
Okay, so this is either large. This is short sleeve large because you like the muscles you got, or this both of them short sleeve. This like tank top short. And this is that. Okay, there you go. Thank you so much. Just doing your job.
You coming soon when the time is right.
Oh, yes, sir.
Y'all come get some of this fruit.
So let's invite the children first.
Oh, yeah,
Sure, let the children come get some fruit.
Where they go,
Get some fruit.
oh, it's your shells.
You collect your shells.
Where they go,
So beautiful. Sing.
Where they go,
We about to get it. I'm gonna give it to the people.
Oh, my day. Oh, I know, dude. Oh, my goodness. Hey, well, she gonna edit this. That's me. That's me. And it's cool. It's pretty nice, too. I don't know how that, I haven't had that in so long. That's gonna be nice. It's a little crazy. Have fun while I can. Everybody. I've been trying to do. I ain't had no touch it. My brother told me about I had it for a few years.
Kashi Nicole. What's your name, darling? Yeah. What you, bro? Anytime, bro. You got numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. You got to come through and I'll show you that People's Avenue, what I was telling you. I'm going to show you.
Right.
Yeah, right.
So right after New Year's, man, let's get in, you know, we'll go around.
Do it.
I love it. With everything you bring, man, I was just like, it's all knowledge and culture, man.
Yeah, we can keep
Thanks to our coach.
Yes, sir. You deserve it.
So if we can come into the circle, do our Harambe, pull it together.
Photograph.
So y'all have to get in the water. It's gonna be on. We need some people on the land because I'm not. We're gonna make a circle, right? We got
What you say? You're not going in the water? Oh.
I'll get in there, but I want to do it right here.
All right.
Put it together, right? We have 7 principles. First one, Umoja means unity. Second one, Kuchakalia means self-determination. We are on the third one, UJIMA, cooperative, collective work responsibility. Tomorrow is UJIMA, and it's cooperative economics and familyhood. And we have Dia, which is purpose. And we have Kuumba, which is creativity. And then we have Imani, which is faith. So right now, UJIMA, we pull it together. We're going to do the 7 Harambe. We reach up and we pull down. Every time we say that, we say Harambe. We pull it together, right? Yes. All right, so you're ready? It's about unity. It's about all of those principles coming together. All right, ready?
Mandel Carter.
That water. Why you not in that water? I will go with you to the water.
Zion train is coming.